Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we are using green color. Kids, now we mixing green color and first we coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. E for egg. Kids, now we're coloring numbers. First we are using red color and now we're coloring the number of 1. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 2. TWO 2. Now we're coloring numbers. The next one is 3. The number of 3. And the next one is 4. FOUR 4. The next one is 5. FIVE 5. Kids, the next one is 2D shapes. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. First we are using yellow color. The shape of triangle. And the next one is circle. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we're using the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is star. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. And the last one is square. Today we draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.